To use a Visa gift card on Uber Eats, start by opening the Uber Eats app on your mobile device and signing into your account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the in-app instructions. Once you are logged in, navigate to the menu by tapping the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. Then select Payment from the list of options. On the payment screen, you will see a list of your currently added payment methods. Tap the Add Payment Method button at the bottom of the screen to add your Visa gift card. Select Credit or Debit Card from the list of available payment methods. Then enter the card number, expiration date, and security code from your Visa gift card. Make sure to enter the correct information to avoid any issues with the payment process. After adding your Visa gift card, you can use it to pay for your Uber Eats orders. To do this, select the food you want to order and proceed to the checkout screen. On the checkout screen, select your Visa gift card as the payment method. If the order total is greater than the balance on your gift card, you will be prompted to add an additional payment method to cover the remaining amount. It is important to note that some Visa gift cards may have restrictions or limitations on their use. So make sure to check the terms and conditions of your card before attempting to use it on Uber Eats. Additionally, if you experience any issues with using your Visa gift card, you can contact Uber Eats customer support for assistance. Best practices for using a Visa gift card on Uber Eats include keeping track of your gift card balance to avoid overdrafts, using your gift card for orders that are less than or equal to the card balance, and adding an additional payment method to cover any remaining balances. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily use your Visa gift card to pay for your Uber Eats orders.